The turbocharged Honda Grom drag bike showcased in this feature is a testament to the pursuit of extreme performance in a compact package. With its power output multiplied 8-fold compared to the stock version, this customized Grom redefines the boundaries of what's possible with a small displacement motorcycle. Originally introduced as a lightweight and agile urban commuter, the Honda Grom has gained a cult following among riders for its fun-to-ride nature and customizable potential. In its drag bike form, the Grom undergoes a radical transformation to maximize acceleration and top speed on the quarter-mile strip. At the heart of the turbocharged Honda Grom drag bike is its heavily modified engine, featuring a turbocharger that significantly increases its power output. Custom engine tuning, upgraded fueling systems, and enhanced cooling ensure that the Grom delivers blistering acceleration and maintains peak performance throughout each run. Visually, the drag bike retains the Grom's compact dimensions but features aerodynamic enhancements and lightweight materials to optimize speed and handling. Custom paint schemes, racing livery, and sponsor decals contribute to its aggressive appearance, reflecting its purpose-built design for drag racing dominance. The cockpit of the turbocharged Honda Grom drag bike is stripped down for maximum weight reduction and optimized for rider control during high-speed runs. Racing-inspired instrumentation, ergonomic controls, and a modified seating position ensure that the rider remains focused and comfortable while pushing the limits of performance. Performance metrics of the turbocharged Honda Grom drag bike highlight its staggering acceleration and impressive top speed capabilities. With its enhanced power-to-weight ratio and aerodynamic profile, the Grom accelerates from 0 to 60 miles per hour in record time, showcasing the effectiveness of its turbocharged setup on the drag strip. Beyond its sheer speed, the turbocharged Honda Grom drag bike embodies a spirit of innovation and engineering prowess within the motorcycle community. Custom builders and racing enthusiasts alike admire the Grom's ability to push boundaries and challenge conventions, showcasing the potential of small displacement engines in competitive motorsport. As discussions within the motorcycle community center around the turbocharged Honda Grom drag bike, enthusiasts marvel at its engineering feats and performance achievements. The Grom serves as a beacon of inspiration for custom builders and aspiring drag racers, demonstrating what can be accomplished through ingenuity and dedication to performance excellence. In conclusion, the turbocharged Honda Grom drag bike stands as a testament to the limitless potential of small displacement motorcycles in drag racing. With its 8-fold increase in power and purpose-built design, the Grom redefines expectations of speed and performance, proving that size is no barrier to achieving greatness on the quarter-mile strip. Whether competing for podium finishes or thrilling spectators with its blistering acceleration, the turbocharged Honda Grom drag bike continues to captivate and inspire all who witness its incredible capabilities on the track.